guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a Cream of Nature review. Actually a Cream of Nature color. I'm going to be coloring my hair. As you can see, it is jet black. I did recently, maybe a couple of months ago, dye it jet black, but I will insert a couple of pictures of when I did color it before. My hair did stay in its natural state. There was nothing too harsh or no chemicals that actually would alter any of my curl patterns. So I did pre-stretch my hair, so I co-washed my hair and I twisted it in fours. I just did a quad and then I stretched it out. So this is pre-stretched hair. I did let it air dry for a day. So these are the colors that I will be doing on my hair. So yeah, this is ginger blonde, medium warm brown, and light caramel brown. So this is the Cream of Nature I will be using on my hair today to achieve these three colors. So I'll be doing pretty much dimensions in the top portion of my head, and then towards my nape, I'll be doing the medium brown back here. So you guys, this is just going to be something fun that I'm going to try because it is Valentine's Day coming up and I want to do something different for my hair. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this wonderful, magnificent look with these three colors, please keep watching and stay tuned to this video. Make sure you thumbs it up, like, comment, subscribe, and share this with a friend. Okay guys, so I'm back. I did go ahead and section off my hair. So this is the back. Just parted it across, and then I did three sections here. I'm going to be foiling this area here for the main portion back here. I'm going to do that medium brown color, so it's going to be one solid color. And you're going to need your cape, of course. If you don't have a cape, just use an old shirt. I put an old t-shirt under here just in case I drop that color somewhere. I don't want to be stained. You're also going to need some hair brushes, color brushes. I have two different ones. This one here, if you can see, it has the rounded tip just so it makes it better at fading, and then I do have the straight tip one. Whatever you have, utilize. You don't have to go out and get anything special. And then I have this little pointer here. This is also good for fading as well. You're gonna need a towel. You're going to need some gloves for your hands. You're going to need your color brush. You're going to need some foil paper. And these are foil paper sections that I've already cut in half. So you're going to need some of these. If you don't have these, I don't know what to tell you. You might want to go to the store and get yourself. So yeah. And you're going to need your colors. I'm going to go ahead and mix these up, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so inside the box, you're going to get the developer. You're also going to get your cream color gel. And then you're going to get your deep condition intense treatment. This is to use after you finish coloring your hair because this is such a good product. It allows your hair to be colored and treated, and also deep condition at the same time. So not only is it going to give you that vibrance that you're looking for, it's also going to deep condition your hair after you've already reconstructed the structure of your hair. So don't worry about your hair being brittle or anything like that. This color line is actually made for natural hair. A lot of people are scared to color their hair, or they're scared to put harsh products into their hair thinking that it'll alter the curl pattern or that they won't be natural. But this color line is not saying that you're not going to have, your hair is not natural anymore. You're still going to have natural hair because it's still in this natural state. It's just colored. Okay, you guys, sorry, I'm back. Had to take that phone call. But what I was saying was this Cream of Nature line is not any harsh chemicals, so it's not going to alter the curl pattern or the natural state of your hair. You're still going to be considered a natural, beautiful woman with natural hair, just color added to it. So it does have instructions on how to mix up the dye. So don't wing it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix everything up in the developer and go ahead and get started on the back of my hair. So I'll be back. Okay guys, so I'm back. I didn't get to film the correction of the process of me getting my hair like this, but I did go ahead and roller set it. I'm going to take it down in a little while, but through the process of me using Cream of Nature color line to get those colors that I showed you earlier, it was a fail. You guys, my hair was green, it was red, it was orange, it was just not the business. So I did have to go in and do a bleach wash. I'll insert a clip here describing what a bleach wash is, but basically I went in and used 2 parts shampoo to 2 parts developer and to 2 parts bleach, and I just basically put that onto my hair and let that sit for a little while to try to kind of get that red, green, and orange tones out of my hair. I didn't get it completely out, but it was enough to correct the mistakes that I made. And so through that process I had to take everything out and basically deep condition. I deep conditioned it for about 2 hours. After I deep conditioned it, I did go back in and recolor it, but I did wait a day. So I deep conditioned it and let it air dry, and then went back in with the Paul Mitchell color line. I'll insert clips of what products I used for the colors to achieve this look here. And after I take it down, I'll be able to show you guys a better look of what it actually looks like. But it was a mess, you guys. I was freaking out. I do color myself, so I am pretty much aware of what needs to be done to cancel out everything. I had to go back and use my color wheel to go ahead and make sure that I get everything fixed properly so that I wouldn't have those green tones in my hair. It just looked a mess, and I wish I had taken pictures, but at the time the process was so long, I just had to hurry up and go ahead and fix everything that I messed up. But you guys, I'll be back later on to show you guys the final look. And and I'll do a little makeup in between that as well. So if you want to see my results, stay tuned and keep watching.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
and helpful to you guys who are trying to achieve hair like this. This was definitely not intentional. These were not my set out goals. Just remember, when coloring hair, you cannot lift colors with another color. I totally forgot that I had underneath so many colors from previous hair dyes that I did on my hair, and different colors that I've had. So unfortunately, this process took me 2 days to accomplish, to get this hair look here. A little dimension with some highlights. And I would say to you guys who are looking to color your hair, do research first. Make sure you know the color that you're trying to go for. Make sure you know what's underneath your hair. Make sure you consult with a professional so that you can get the right look that you're going for. I already knew what to do and which route to go to as far as getting my hair the way that I wanted it to be. Unfortunately, I had to do a bleach wash on it to kind of dilute those colors that was previously underneath. I did have a little bit of greens, blues, orange, reds, and yellows in my hair, so I wish I had actually took a picture or even captured a clip of how it looked before, because you guys, it didn't look like this. It definitely did not look like this at all. Like back here, it was green. Down here, towards my mid shaft, it was a little bit, my roots were black. Towards my mid shaft, it was brownish red. Up here, it had turned pink red. So and right now it's a little bit of orangish brown. I did my roots a natural brown. I did use the Paul Mitchell color line, the professional line, so that I could get the look that I was going for. I tried the Cream of Nature, and unfortunately it just wasn't doing what I needed it to do. I did use the Blondest Blonde, I think it is, but that does have a high lift in it, so it was kind of able to bleach some of the colors out of it. I didn't put bleach straight directly on my hair, you guys, so I did not do any damage. I did decondition it twice, so my hair is very, very healthy. It's still bouncy, it's still life. I still have my curls. Right here on these parts, I did have a little bit of over process just because of previous applications I have done, but it's no worries. I'm probably going to cut it off. I probably will leave it on, who knows. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Thumbs up this video if you like it. Like, comment, and subscribe, and comment below if you want to see more videos on my hair color routines or how I achieve different colors. And I'll put a dye in my natural hair, and I've straightened it, and it still had curls and life to it. So if you're natural and you're worried about your curls being taken away because you're going to color it or add chemicals to it, if you know what you're doing, if you have a professional do it, and if you deep condition it and make sure that you take care of it the way that it should be taken care of, your curls won't go anywhere. So hope you guys have a wonderful day, and stay tuned for some more videos. Yes, this hair is giving me so much life, you guys.